Mia loves balloons. One sunny morning, she and her mom go to the market. Mia sees a bright red balloon. It shines in the sunlight. She asks her mom, "Can I have that balloon, please?" Her mom smiles and says, "Yes, Mia, you can have it." Mia holds the balloon tightly. It feels light and soft. As they walk home, the balloon floats gently in the air. Mia looks up and says, "Hello, balloon. You are my new friend." On the way, Mia meets Tom, a boy from her neighborhood. Tom is playing with a small toy car. When he sees the red balloon, he stops and says, "Wow, your balloon is so red and pretty." Mia smiles and offers, "Would you like to hold it?" Tom nods and takes the string carefully. They walk together, laughing and talking. Mia asks Tom, "Do you like balloons?" Tom says, "Yes, they are fun, but I have never held such a big one." Suddenly, a strong wind blows. The balloon pulls hard on the string. Mia tries to hold it tighter, but her hands are small. The balloon slips and flies up into the blue sky. Mia and Tom watch as it gets smaller and smaller. Mia feels sad. "Oh no, my balloon is gone," she says quietly. Tom puts his hand on her shoulder and smiles kindly. "Don't be sad, Mia. We had fun today, and we can find more balloons another day." Mia thinks about this and smiles back. "You're right, Tom. Today was special because we shared the balloon." They decide to play together before going home. Mia and Tom run around the park, talk about their favorite colors, and play a game of tag. Mia forgets about the balloon for a little while. She feels happy again. Before they say goodbye, Mia says, "Thank you, Tom. Today was a great day." Tom answers, "Yes. Let's play again soon." Mia walks home with her mom. She looks up in the sky and imagines the red balloon flying over the trees and the houses. She thinks, "My balloon is on a big adventure." Mia feels warm inside. Even if her balloon is gone, she has a new friend and wonderful memories, and that makes her heart happy. The end.